So this video is just a little tutorial to show you how to use social media post generator. All right, so let's go. Okay, let's see. So I asked, this is a ChatGPT like native. So I asked, write 5 funny captions for social media post generator, just the one that I'm giving this tutorial for. And it gave me when life gives you lemon. And you may even see me, post these on social media. Make these about writer's block, okay? And then I said, make these about a teacher who needs to post to social media. So what I'm trying to say is, so when I asked this, right? And then I read this, okay? Yes, I liked it, but then I was like, how to make it more specific. And remember I said, like, the more specific you are, the better results you're going to get with it. So then I said, make these, whatever these sentences were, about writer's block. Okay. So then it's like staring at a blank page, because I thought it was funny captions for, yeah. So it didn't know, it just gave funny captions. Trying to adult, but the struggle is real. Just another day in paradise. I don't always take selfies. When I do, I'm not always funny, but so it was pretty vague, and it didn't understand what I meant by social media post generator. So then I said, make these about writer's block, and then staring at a blank page, like it's a staring contest and I'm losing. So writer's block, when you have a deadline, but your brain is on vacation. So these were much better than, I'm not procrastinating, I'm just waiting for inspiration to hit me like a ton of bricks or a gentle breeze, all that, right? Then make these about a teacher who needs to post to on social media, trying to be hip and cool like my students, but feeling more like a square. So when you finally figure out how to use TikTok, but realize you're too old for it, so it did give me better results when I asked better questions. Okay. And that's how you can just keep going and making it better. Because the first time I told you, it will never be a good copy. It will be vague, but it's a good prompter. It gives you ideas to how to rephrase your question, or, just refer to whatever answer it gave you and then ask another question. Let's try something here. Write 5 funny lines from a cat talking to a human. It's pretty vague already, but I know what it's going to say. Oh, okay, so it's not too bad. I'm starting to think you only keep me around for my superior cuddling skills. I don't always knock things off the table, but when I do, I make sure it's something expensive. I've been watching you try to catch that laser pointer for years now. It's cute, really. So this is cute. I like it. Why are you always staring at that glowing rectangle? Don't you know there's a whole world of cat videos out there? You think you're the one in charge here, but let's be real. I'm the one who gets to decide when it's time for food. So not bad at all, right? So it's not bad at all. Again, and then you can rephrase and say, make these funny answers from human to this cat. Let's see if it understood or not. Well, of course I keep you around for your cuddling skills. What other use could I possibly have? Oh my God, I know you only knock things off the table to keep me on my toes. It's your way of testing my reflexes. So that is good. I love this. I may not catch the laser pointer every time, but at least I'm trying. Can't say the same for you. Oh my God, this is funny. This is actually funny. This is cute. What can I say? Humans are addicted to glowing rectangles. But don't worry, I still make time for cat videos. Yes, you're the boss of the food schedule, but let's not forget who pays for the fancy feast around here. I love this. Okay, so go ahead and try this. Go ahead and try this and start posting. And please let me know. I would love to know how your experience with this is. I mean, I'm thoroughly enjoying it because now this was the only thing that I was using outside of, ESA. And now even that is within ESA. So it's like all the business tools and all the business, operations are through one system. Like you just don't leave that one dashboard. Okay. So let me know how it goes.